Where will your savings be safe in the next global financial crisis? I'm Robert Barwick from the Citizens Party. Your deposits in the bank will not be safe in private banks in the next global financial crisis because of a policy known as bail-in. Bail-in means, under conditions of financial crisis, your savings and deposits in a bank will be confiscated to prop up the bank if it's failing. We'll talk about bail-in more in just a minute, but first, your savings will be safe in a new National Postal Savings Bank. The Citizens Party has drafted legislation to create a Commonwealth Postal Savings Bank. We are asking you to sign our petition that demands this bank be created. Your bank deposits are not safe because banks, over the past decades, have engaged in increasingly risky speculation involving financial derivatives. Derivatives are pure gambling. They represent no physical assets. The volume of this gambling was already astronomical in 2008, and this graph shows it is many times larger today. The collapse of this financial house of cards is only a matter of time. The world got a taste of what could happen in the global financial crisis of 2008. Tragically, the government response to that crisis was to bail out the banksters who created the mess. And the result is that today's financial bubble is bigger than ever. The growing uncertainty over the financial system in the face of rising inflation and interest rates raises the spectre of a domestic banking crisis. In the next crisis, though, the bailout of the banks will include confiscating people's deposits. It's called bail-in. It was done in Cyprus in 2013, and people lost 47.5% of their savings. How is this possible? Most people don't realise that when you put money in a bank, you are considered to be an unsecured creditor. In February 2018, the Australian government rammed through legislation giving the bank regulator APRA crisis resolution powers. This law specifies that only specific financial instruments can be bailed in, confiscated, under crisis conditions. Then it includes the phrase, or any other instruments. Now that's a loophole you can drive a truck through. The Citizens Party has been sounding the alarm. We have demanded that bail-in be made illegal. But even if the loophole were closed, the out-of-control speculation in the banking system puts everyone in danger. Only by establishing a public alternative can we restore sanity to the world of banking. A new public postal bank would have many benefits. As just mentioned, it would provide a safe place for your deposits. The postal bank would guarantee all deposits, and its charter would prohibit it from engaging in speculation or bail-in. The new bank would be mandated to provide a public benefit. The purpose of the bank is not merely profits, but to promote the general welfare. The new postal bank would provide access to banking services for all Australians. The current private monopoly-run banking system is aggressively shutting down bank branches at an accelerating rate. It would make sure a ready supply of cash is available for Australians. Presently, the Big Four-dominated banking system is moving to eliminate cash, making it more and more difficult for many citizens to conduct their daily affairs. The new postal bank would provide credit to small businesses and industries that are neglected by the current banking system. The revenue obtained by the postal bank will secure the future of postal services by providing an ongoing income stream for the postal system. And it would contribute to national economic development. Deposits in the new postal bank in excess of reserve requirements can be invested into a national development bank that can fund large-scale investment projects like water management, high-speed rail and electricity generation. There's not a moment to waste. A new global financial crisis is inevitable. We must prevail upon our government to create this bank as part of a larger strategy to protect and defend our nation. Please, sign our petition calling for the creation of a new Commonwealth Postal Savings Bank. Every voice is critically needed for this urgent task. Please add your name to the petition and help us spread the word.
Spoken and authorised by Robert Barwick, Citizens Party, Melbourne.